start the intro. Hello.
Alright. We never had that. Never heard that before.
There once was a time when man turned to the gods for guidance. The belief in the gods was so strong that man prayed to them and worshipped them without question. While man resided in the land of Midgard, or what they would call Earth, the gods resided in their home beyond reality, a land called Thunderstorm. There was a balance. For every death, there would be life. For every sadness, there would be happiness that would wait.
Is this the whole film?
Opportunity
Imagine if it's just the
whole
whole film
film.
is just.
It's an audiobook.
Yeah, it's
I
an
accidentally
audiobook.
put for the audiobook on.
Oh no!
I bet this is the most exciting bit throughout the whole movie.
We already know Brett Kelly. It said already.
Yeah, it said directed by Brett Kelly.
Oh no! Here we go.
Go back to the credits.
Oh, this is already so underwhelming.
Go back to the credits already, please.
just checking it's working, alright?
All right. I need everyone to stay quiet and listen.
That's a wig in it. The bloke on the
Make an
right.
example.
Oh yeah.
Now you know what's worse in this scene already
It
is
would be a shame
they've not
to
white
start
balanced
shooting
it.
people.
It's like
It's-
why
Yeah,
is
he's the same colour as the wall.
Why is it like yellow? I
Now
hate it
we're getting
already.
somewhere. The gods have smiled down upon you, my friend.
Oh dear.
Oh god.
Oh dear.
Oh fuck off! Is this meant to be Thor?
Immortals cannot
What is
exist
happening?
in the hearts of men. It is forbidden.
He's got the same hairline as you. He's got like the bald. He's got the bald spot as well. He looks like you.
No, he doesn't.
It's you.
This is gonna be a hard one. This is gonna be rough to watch.
You don't know what you're talking about. Why are you talking?
Like I need life lessons from
It
you.
looks like you. It's you.
That is not the outfit. That's more plastic than Metal Man. No way.
It's more plastic than Michael Jackson's face.
Come on now. Where did I put my vape?
Oh, there it is.
It's Andrew Tate.
Onward to Ragnarok.
Yeah. That's not Ragnarok.
Right, somebody's gonna get suffocated.
Oh my god.
It's one of the evil people, goth people.
Yeah.
They just go, yeah.
Crap, I forgot my wallet in the desk.
Oh
Keep your
no,
desk.
Josh. It's you. You're always losing your shit.
Fine, then you're that guy.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Alright.
I always hate that in horror films, and they're always like, "Hello."
Who's this girl? This is how Andrew Tate
Little project, my
got
friends
started
and I.
with his alleged woman
I
thing.
won't. Are you sure he's awake?
Of course.
Of course, I'm awake.
I was about to say the acting has gotten better, and then that happened.
That is the worst composition ever. Just his nose like poking out.
my family.
That's a wig in it.
No. No, I don't. Maybe you could.
Like lightning, you know? Bang.
Oh, I don't know.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Misa was sparkly glowing. Fucking hell, Josh, sort it out.
I said stop it.
What fucking hand sanitizer are you using? You're glowing.
Huh? Did that just randomly attach to him? It's so plastic. It's so fucking plastic.
It's like when you get, you know, like kids dress ups
Yeah.
in like Poundland. That's what it looks like. He's got a little cape as well.
Oh no, the cape is awful. The cape ruins it.
What the hell's wrong with me?
Nothing at all, Red.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Who said that?
I'm Thor.
What the
It's not Thor. It's fucking. It's a picture of fucking Ian McKellen and fucking X-Men.
Sausage? It's got a fucking glass cabinet in it. What hospital has that?
No, it's a museum. It's meant to be not a hospital.
Oh, I thought they were in the hospital.
No, museum. But it doesn't look like a museum.
But it looks like the same building as
Yeah.
the one they were in
It's
the bloody hotel.
it's the reception area of the hospital.
Yeah. Is that a real beard or is it?
I don't know.
Why does it look like it's like drawn on?
Everything in this movie looks so fake. Like the fake wig,
I might
drawn on
and I
beard.
might not. How about this?
Have you noticed how his
Turn around
gang
and
all
walk
look
away,
like they're in
and
a
I
metal
don't
band?
you
Like
and everyone
this
else in
bald guy
place.
looks like bloody Rob Halford. Then you got like the
Yeah.
bloke,
Don't
like the punky
suppose now
guy, and then you
would
got the
be a
bloke with the
good
long
time
hair.
to look behind
Like-
you, would
It's
it?
like some weird like metal band.
I don't like hostages. Let's leave
this guy on the
police
left
a
doing?
message. You know what?
Look. I swear that looks like David Beckham, the guy with the mohawk. I'm actually enjoying this actually so far. It's shit, but it's like consistently shit. You know what I mean? So when I said I was enjoying this film, just ruined it in that one sentence.
Well, we haven't seen. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Come on, Beckham, sort it out.
You're gonna have to be better shot than that, son.
Really?
Careful, it's only made a phone.
Here's a better shot then.
Oh no. It's probably the best shot of the whole film, actually. It's quite a good photo.
They didn't take a video of that.
No, that's like some
Stock.
like
Somebody else
stock,
did
like,
that.
video.
What is going on with this weird thing? These goths. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We are the Knights of Yeah.
Yeah.
Andrew take the movie. Diary Raza Hell. Diary Raza Hell. Diary
It's
Raza
like
Hell.
you know the Monty Python ones.
Yeah, with this stuff.
Video.
She's got no smoky.
Spontaneous combustion.
It exploded.
Somebody get the lights.
You have done well. I trust you've had no problems.
What's going on now?
Interference, my queen.
Well, I guess they summoned the Queen.
Would you
Oh,
like
is this
to
meant
do
to
your
be?
best?
Is it Thor's sister?
Perhaps.
Is that
I don't
meant to
know.
be her? You know the woman that has like the spiky.
Hella?
Is it Hella?
Yeah.
Spiky like helmet.
Because
thing?
I call her helicopter. My first name's Hella.
The villain laugh is so
Are you sure about
so cliche. Oh my god! He's gone for a job interview now.
told you I can't.
How amateur can you get?
What's your secret identity?
Well, that too.
Smart ass.
But mostly it's a condition.
A medical condition.
It's a lightning thing. It's insulated. It's protecting everyone else from getting zapped.
Try.
Everything wrong with a movie. You know, like when you see movie 101's
my
not
best
to
to
do.
control it.
Yeah.
It was everything. It was in that one camera angle. Was everything not to do.
There are things in this world that work on faith and faith alone. Science doesn't have a place in these things.
A holy war.
Worse.
A
Imagine
holy
if the whole world
war.
opened up and swallowed.
Are you drunk?
Yes.
Managed to slip out
Did
from
it
the
again.
cover of darkness and elude police.
Spilled it on
Here's the
myself.
funny part, folks. The escapee was apparently dressed like
guess
this,
exactly as you said that.
That's right, folks.
You're a funny little man, aren't you?
You're a funny looking man.
You know, for a funny little man, quite cute.
What?
She's calling you cute,
I
Steve.
think it's your eyes.
Oh no. Well, I'm dead.
Sure it was.
So painted on.
Is it even like? It's not even painted. Like it's after. That's not on the actual costume. Somebody put it on.
Yeah, it
After
actually
Effects.
looks like it's been drawn on.
It's probably because they had to return it. They couldn't get blood.
You could have
That's
you could have just gone cliche, just got ketchup.
No, but they couldn't.
Right.
No, but they had to.
Yeah,
return them.
that is literally just.
Yeah,
been
they had to.
painted
No,
on.
they had to return the costume,
Oh,
so they couldn't put
yeah.
blood on it.
What is that with these edgy camera angles as well? She's up there, he's down there.
It smells like a gun's been fired.
Smells like a gun's being fired. No one's ever described
I
a
don't
room.
think I've actually
No one's.
ever heard any film to
Yeah,
say that.
no one's ever described
do
that.
guns
ever.
smell? I swear, this bald guy is the worst assassin ever. He shot 2 people, point blank range, and they both survived.
An amulet?
It's fucking stupid. And this silly woman's worried about it, they smell. You notice the blood spill has magically disappeared.
Yeah.
This bloke's asleep. Oh, fuck off. Off. At least this guy can kill someone. But wait, plot twist, he'll be alive the whole time. Be like, oh, yeah.
If you don't mind slowing down a little, it'd be appreciated.
Slow down, you're not even moving.
Who's the one on the left?
It's the guy with the hat.
No, the one with the long hair.
Oh, he's spinning it the whole time.
Is he?
Yeah.
He wasn't at the museum scene.
Yeah, he was, yeah.
No, he wasn't.
He was. He was on the far left that I said, you know, when he was holding the gun, he was like...
No, that was not him.
You have
That's not him.
all done well.
He's
and
not
for
blonde.
that, I'll be
Blonde?
rewarded
Yeah, there's a
with
guy on the left
onset
that's
of
blonde.
Oh, is it?
Look, that's the guy.
Oh, that's the guy, yeah,
No,
yeah.
who's the one on the left that's blonde?
That's their new
Let us
guitarist.
begin the ceremony.
The one on the left, look.
Yeah.
Who's that? We haven't seen him at all.
How dare you defy my bidding?
What the fuck? What did he do wrong? What even happened? What did he do
What was
wrong?
that?
What did he do wrong? How dare you defy my thing? He didn't.
He was only looking. He was looking at some glowing green shit, and then got killed
What?
for
I
it.
mean, how did he even defy?
That was my favourite character. Fuck.
Oh my
What
fucking
the
god!
fuck is
what
that?
the fuck did I just see? Who's that now?
What is this now?
We haven't
I
seen
don't-
that guy either. The guy with the earrings.
Oh, he's got sunglasses.
They got a new guy to replace on the left.
You know these bands, they're quick replacing the members.
It must be a drummer.
But I'm bulletproof and I shoot lightning, so...
Bulletproof.
Oh.
It's not gonna shoot you.
I've never
It's a
seen
fucking dragon.
alone
I'm bulletproof.
fought a dra-
What the fuck is going on?
It's the Emperor.
So you got any more tricks up your sleeve?
More tricks.
He
The
ain't done
dragon's
anything. Hasn't done anything.
Is this the best that Asgard can come up with?
Apparently so.
Well, if you're speaking about that shrew of a man who had no business involving himself in my affairs, yes.
It's all just fun.
Hel, goddess of the future
I just
ruler
heard
of
something like
Asgard.
crumple.
Hell
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
You're gonna see it do anything?
Oh, this film.
Oh my! Why was that effect like blurry? Did you see how bad that?
Yeah, especially what? What the fuck is going on?
Well, she's back. Of course.
That was a random sort of abrupt ending. Okay.
You know, weirdly, I like this.
I actually did like enjoy it.
I think honestly, it's the best one we've watched for me.
Now, you know what it was that I liked? It's because what I was saying is that this wasn't made by, say, like a professional, like.
Well, I don't think Metal Bad was either.
But I feel like with this, it was just a group of people with this stupid idea. Like, let's just make a film for the joke of it. And that's why I appreciated it more. So they just knew it was going to be bad, but fuck it, let's just make a film.
I actually prefer this to most Marvel movies.
Oh, fuck off. I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far.
What would you give it, Elf? How many FartingCactuses would you...
I'd-
Cacti.
I'd say like a 3.
3 out of 10. 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Like it was.
Or
actually...
should we be awkward and be out of 9?
No, 10. Always 10. I don't know. Like
I'll give it a bit more than the 3, like a 3 point sign.
No, I think like I just enjoyed it. Like it was awful, but it was like
enjoyable.
It was consistently shit, but like it was funny.
Yeah,
and like
the other movies weren't enjoyable.
Yeah,
This was.
Like, it just
So I'll
seemed
give it a
like
3 point
yeah,
sign.
it just seemed like it was just a bunch of mates
Out of
like making a film.
3.5, I'll say.
Yeah, decent.
3.5 farting cacti.